Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find exported videos in CapCut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So I'm going to show you two methods that you can use to find the exported video. First, go to the search bar and type percentage, app data percentage, and click on that folder. Then click on Local. Now click on CapCut and open the Videos folder so you will get all your exported videos right here. Still, since my folder is empty, that means I have selected another folder where all the exported videos go. To check that folder, open up your CapCut, then click on Export. And now you can see your export location. After I export my videos here in CapCut, all the videos go into this folder called Download. You can change this folder by just clicking on this icon and selecting any new folder that you want to use. But I'm going to stick this now. Click on Export and you will get your videos in this folder. That's how you can find exported video in CapCut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.